Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am here at Dr. Trasi's and I have with me Dr. Shefali who's going to do a facial for me. So doctor, looking at my skin, which facial would you like to recommend me?
Well, facials are a very integral part of our day-to-day life, and I think our mothers and our grandmothers have gone through those same facials over a period of time. Like before weddings, you would hear all the ladies going to the parlors and getting themselves their skin ready for that particular marriage with a facial. However, we belong to the new generation and we have gotten a lot of variations in those facials. When we as dermatologists, we recommend certain facials to our patients, it's not only about the massage part of it, which was initially opted for, but a lot of serums, medicated serums are involved in these, the creams. A lot of cleansing is involved in those creams, which will help remove us those dead layers of the skin. The serums will help the skin glow. It will try to decrease the open pores. It will try to bring that natural glow on the face, remove the dead layer, and even help to improve the fine lines and wrinkles that we see on the face. Also, depending upon the skin type that we have, at Dr. Trasi's Lapiel Skin Clinic, we have a range of facials ranging from age of 20 to I would say 80. So if a young girl like you, if you come to me, I wouldn't want to do a tightening kind of a facial, an anti-aging facial. What I would like to do on you is more of an exfoliation, more of a glow factor, probably work upon those acne marks, those acne scars that you have come to me with. In a later age group, I would want to hydrate the skin to a certain level, but not to the level that it gives it pimples. So there are a lot of thinking that goes behind, and a lot of tailor-made facials are available at Dr. Trasi's Lapiel Skin Clinic. And so for you today, what I see on your face is you have a beautiful skin texture. However, those little acne that comes on the skin that have left behind some marks. Also with the I think the hectic routine that you are leading, the skin has become a little dull. So in her, what I would like to do is get back that glow on her face and try to lighten those acne marks that are there.
So guys, I have been associated with Dr. Trasi for last 10 years. It's almost a decade that I've been coming to her, and I know there's been like a 180-degree shift in my skin. The skin that you see today, even when you want to use the best of makeup products, it only looks best on you when your skin is good. So this is something that I've learned here at Dr. Trasi's quite young, and it's taken me many years, but eventually my skin is much better and I'm still sticking to them, and they take care of my skin really well. So besides a good facial, there are many more services that are offered here at Dr. Trasi. So let's know from Dr. Shefali, what are those services?
So at Dr. Trasi's Lapiel Skin Clinic, we have, as you said, a range of skin services, and it starts off with dermatology skin problems. So we have a team of dermatologists with us, and we take care of all the basic dermatology skin problems ranging from acne to psoriasis, vitiligo, hair fall problems, and nails, even the sexually transmitted diseases. Then comes the aesthetic part, wherein we do all kinds of aesthetic procedures required for young skin, for aging skin. So we have a range of anti-aging procedures with us, right from skin tightening to skin lifting, thread lifts, the famous or the infamous Botox, then fillers, HIFU, thermage. So all these are a range of anti-aging procedures that we have with us. Well, we believe that skin is not only important, but even your dental work is important. Even your teeth makes a impact on a beautiful face. So we have a set of cosmetic dentistry treatments at our place. Along with that, we do work upon body contouring. So those pouches of fat which we see on our tummy or probably on the upper back can be taken care of by the body contouring treatments that we have for us. A lot of girls or boys, they want to have those six-pack on their tummies. We even have EMS machines to get those six-packs, and trust me, all these machines are completely safe. We are there with our patient before the treatment, during the treatment, and even after the treatment. So an entire group of doctors and therapists and nutritionists or dentists are there at Dr. Trasi's Lapiel Skin Clinic to take care of the patient as a whole. So everything from skin, hair, nails to body contouring to the teeth, these are the services that you can find at Dr. Trasi's Lapiel Skin Clinic.
So well guys, we have this myth in our head that to look good only when we have issues on our face is when we should visit a good skin specialist. But the reality is that you have to come regularly to a skin specialist to maintain your skin so that you don't have skin issues. So this is also something that I learned very early in age. I came at Dr. Trasi's when I had some issues with my face, but then when I came here and they educated me more about my skincare routine, they gave me certain creams that I need to use every day, what face wash. We generally just go to a general store and pick up any face wash that we want, but when you come to a good skin specialist, they will recommend you a face wash which is good for your skin type. So it's very essential to stay in touch with a good skin specialist like Dr. Trasi and maintain your skin throughout your skin routine journey. We also like to copy a lot of celebrities. We compare ourselves to their beauty, but do you know that they all go to skin specialists and maintain themselves, all the beauty from cosmetology to other things? They go to a good skin specialist, a cosmetology, what do you call it? Cosmetology, right?
Aesthetic physician or
aesthetic physician, yeah. They go to them and they get their surgeries done. So there are a lot of celebrities who are also associated with Dr. Trasi. So Dr. Shefali, if you could just tell us which are the celebrities, if you could just name a few who are associated with you. Madhuri Dixit is one that I definitely know has been associated with you, but besides her, are there any more celebrities you work with?
So there are a lot of celebrities coming to us. However, with the doctor-patient confidentiality, I may not be able to tell you the names of them. But as she said, it's extremely essential that you maintain your skin. I always tell my patients is, yes, makeup can cover up those marks, those little hyperpigmentation and irregularities of the face. But if you have a naturally glowing skin, you can flaunt it. So I believe in that myself. So when I come to the clinic, it's without any makeup. All my patients have seen that it's always a little lipstick and probably a liner sometimes, depending upon the schedule. So I believe in having a naturally glowing skin. I don't run after fairness. I think if your skin is good, hydrated and glowing, it speaks out for itself. So I always intend to instill that confidence in my patients in having a good glowing skin. And like the way Surbhi has been following a good skincare routine, even as a girl myself, when I was 15 years old, since then I've been using a good cleanser, a moisturizer, sunscreen, followed what we tell our patients. It's not always that we just write it for our patients, but it's extremely essential that we also, as dermatologists, as girls or ladies, we do follow these little skincare routine that is required for maintaining a good glowing skin. But without taking names, I would just like to say the commonest treatments that we do for our patients, for our celebrity patients, would be simple treatments. They don't always go for the really expensive treatments. A simple, a deep cleansing, a hydrating facial, or a vampire facial, red carpet facials, then the collagen facials, probably some skin texturing lasers, some pigmentation lasers are some of the commonest treatments that are done by them. And these are the same treatments that I even recommend to my normal patients. I don't, it's my normal patients also have their work, their life, wherein they need to look their best throughout. So they are also not all the time doing some Botox and fillers and threads. No, it doesn't work like that. Probably that must be required once in a while. However, rest of the times, what they generally do is maintain the skin. And by maintaining, it might be just doing a simple cleansing, a simple chemical peeling, a microdermabrasion, or vampire facial. So these are the routine things that we can always follow in our day-to-day life, and it's not even required that you come to a dermatologist every 15 days to do all these things. I give my patients tell them meet me once in 2 months or 3 months. So I literally tell them that meet me 3 or 4 times in a year, and I think your skin will be doing good throughout the year. So that's how a skincare routine. So the rest of the times we give them good cleansers, good toners, moisturizers, and skin serums, sunscreens, and I think they are quite sorted.
Yeah. So guys, I would like to flaunt my lips. I just got my lip filler done last week, so so guys, here we are. I have with me Dr. Shefali, who's gonna do my lip filler. I'm super excited and I can't wait to see the transformation of my lips. Let's know from her a little more about what she's gonna do and what this whole treatment is all about.
So basically, lip fillers are to plump up the thin lips or give definition to the good lips that we have. These are hyaluronic acid injections which we inject in the lips. Now the substance that we inject is not very foreign. It's something that we've lost over a period of time, or with aging, or with our stressful lifestyle. And if you happen to know, it's one of the most popular treatments that we do worldwide. So be it your wedding season, be it Valentine's Day, be it anybody's birthday, anybody and everyone can do a lip filler who want to have good, plump and well-defined lips.
Guys, self-love starts with yourself, and there's no harm in going for a surgery or a treatment if it helps you boost your confidence. Of course, you accept yourself the way you are, but I think certain treatments can go a long way in boosting your confidence. And you know how important confidence is these days, no matter which profession you're in. If you're getting married, of course you want to look your best. I'm an anchor by profession. I'm also an influencer, so of course my industry calls for me to look my best, and that's why I'm investing in a good lip filler. So no matter which background, which industry you work in, it goes a long way in investing some money into your looks. So today we're doing lip filler, but there are many more treatments that happen here at Dr. Trasi's clinic. So today we're doing a good hydrating facial, and if you could just tell us a little more about what it is and how it's going to help my skin, what's the procedure like?
So winter season has started and the skin is going colder. Lot of patients are coming back telling us that there is a lot of stretchiness on the skin, and in the morning when you came to me and when I felt your skin, I felt that somewhere the dryness is creeping onto your skin as well. At the same time, I'm observing that there is some amount of hypopigmentation, that means the dark patches developing following, I think, probably acne marks that you have, which as young girls, anybody and everyone can develop. So what I intend to do on you is something called as a deep cleansing hydrating facial. In this facial, what I will first do is I will do a good cleansing, exfoliating. Then there will be certain oxygen pods that will be introduced inside your skin just with the help of a machine. There will be no pricking, no needles involved in this. So just a very nice, relaxing treatment to get that glowing, rejuvenated you. And that's it. So just hydrating, glowing facial is what we intend to do on you. These facials are even done around the eyes, on the lips, so that many a times we do a good face treatment but we forget about the eyes. And in Indians, eyes are the most they form the highlight of the entire face, because most of the Indians have very dark periorbital region or the area around the eyes. So in this treatment we'll make sure that we work on that region as well. So we will be working on rejuvenating the periorbital or the area around the eyes. This will help in not only giving a good glow to your skin around the eyes, but it will also hydrate. So those little lines and wrinkles that we generally develop, if we've had sleepless nights or if we've been unwell because of some flu or something. So those little lines that we develop around the eyes, that will also be taken care of in this treatment.
So the hydrating facial that Dr. Shefali just spoke about, we're also going to demonstrate you this whole facial on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Let's get into the facial. Are we ready?